Hello, subscribers. We've got a new tent unboxing video for Daddy's Adventures in 2022. Ooh! Give me the ooh! 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 We're going to unbox it. Let's go now.
It's less unboxed, it's more unbagged. You need to tell them because this could take a while.
Okay. So, I will tell you what we're doing right now. As you can see, I've just got home from school. I'm in my school uniform. Not this grey t-shirt. This is just something that I put on. We have what is this one?
It's a tent.
Okay. This is the tent. It's very heavy. See? I'm gonna have to roll it.
Bring it back over here.
I'm gonna have to roll it to you. It's so heavy. We'll have it here. I can sleep in there tonight.
I can't hear you. Can't hear you.
I'm gonna sleep in the tent tonight.
Really?
I'm going to sleep in the tent tonight. Can I sleep in the tent tonight?
I don't think Mommy's going to let you do that.
Why not?
She's not.
You never know.
No, she isn't. This might be the long way around. To go first.
Can I get an apple from the kitchen for me too?
But they don't want to see you eating an apple.
Expelliarmus.
Don't do that. You're not being very helpful, are you?
Yes, I am. But what do you want me to do? We could do a Minecraft video of us building our way up.
Right, put attention to your responders.
We still haven't seen any videos.
Yeah, Grandad.
Yeah, Grandad. Okay, so Daddy's just putting a tent out, which looks really cool. And so, yeah, if any of you play Minecraft, which is the best game ever, Uncle Steve, I think you should play it.
He does play it.
Does he?
He used to.
Do you still play it though? Put in the comments if you do, because if you do, you're amazing.
Colour-coded poles.
What? I want to see.
Well, you would have, but you've like gone off over there, haven't you?
I want to see.
Right, unbox the poles.
Oh, yay.
Don't just pull them out and stuff.
Oh, look. Hit the poles. Ooh, poles. Do I have to take them out and stuff?
Yeah.
Where do I put the rubber band?
Just put them on the side, yeah. Right, what colours? Be careful, because I don't want you trashing anything in the house.
Ow. Oh, this is a very long pole. One, done.
That's yellow. What are the other colours on the poles?
Silver.
They're both silver, both grey. Okay, don't assemble. Don't want you doing that.
So that poles to them. And black.
Silver and black.
Yeah, and yellow.
What? No, you not do the tape on the end.
Oh.
Okay, you need to be careful because you're going to end up hitting the wall and Mum will shower us.
So black, and yellow, black and yellow. Poles. We should have another video that's in time lapse. of us building the tent.
Hmm?
We should have another video of us time-lapsing it.
I don't know how to do that.
I know how to do it. Should I do it? So it's like us going really fast and it will be
Well,
over.
it's already started now. I don't know how to. You can try it, but I don't know how to.
Yeah.
merge two
Okay, we're going to do another video which is connected onto this video, but Daddy won't connect it. It'll be a separate video. So we're just going to put it on time-lapse. So, bye! We'll see you in a minute. Why isn't this stopping?